Alright guys, so hi, it's going FIFA Mobile Wizard here, and today I have 13 packs in my unclaimed items. And first I'm gonna open a pro pack. Oh, and by the way guys, I have an idea, so let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a video of the best gold overpowered team. I have a good idea what players I'm gonna use. So yeah, hit the like button if you like to see that video. Come on now, let's get an elite. No, not a gold. Come on, not training. Oh, I forgot to do the all pro pack. Yeah. No, actually, here it is. Come on, elite. No, Martin is very here. River Plate. Come on, give me Mustafi or Daya. No, Sand. Elite, come on. Come on, no. I'm gonna close my eyes. And I'm gonna open them in 3, 2, 1. No. Come on, give me something. Nothing, not Martinez for the third time. Come on, where are you, Mustafi? Mustafi, not sent. Okay, Pogba, and this time give me Paul Pogba. Not his brothers, not Khedira. It always give me the worst brother. Let's see. Elite. All purple. Come on. Ooh, I got a ultimate flashback item for Gonzalez. Imagine if that was an elite ultimate flashback. Now come on, give me an elite game changer. Come on. No. Well, that was pretty bad, but as just said guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you want to see the most overpowered gold team. Hope you liked it, and see you next time.